Hi friends, now we are going to talk about cases which may happen where you might have to do some coding in production. Okay, this has probably never happened in my life, but I've seen people doing coding in production where there was a case where things needed to be fixed right away because you're losing money because there's a bug, and in order to move through the normal path of moving from dev to QA and production will take at least 1 or 2 hours or whatever. So at that point of time, the basis team says, okay, I'll open the client and you can do the coding. So let me show you what happens at this point, what the basis team really does. Okay, so you go to SC38, okay, and suppose there's a Z program, this one, and I click on change, and you will see this always happens in a QA and production environment. In a dev unit, dev client, it will, where you can code, it will never happen. So how, what the basis team does at this point, so they go to SCC4. Okay, that's a transaction very much owned by basis. Don't try to mess with this. Okay, so here you have 100, you, it's the client, and here you will see no changes to repository. Okay, and we will say they will make it changes to repository this and click on save. Okay, and generally what happens, the basis team sits with you and see what you're doing. Okay, so now what I will have to do is I'll just go back. I'll completely go back. Sometimes it gets stored in the buffer. I go to AC38, change it, voila, it opens. So this is the magic thing they do. Okay, so again, you may not have in your lifetime will be ever facing this, but if you face this happens, you never code in production for sure. But in some cases I have seen they code. Okay, so don't be surprised about this. Okay, there's exception to every rule. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning, and if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.